So let's talk about solo ads. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to be talking about solo ads, and as you know or you don't know, it's probably the easiest and the fastest way to generate leads on for your network marketing business or your affiliate marketing business. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also make sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income down in the description. Alright, so what is solo ad? Solo ad is basically borrowing someone else's list, right? So basically they have generated thousands of lists, thousands of interested people in make money online, or depending on what the lists are, but basically that's how it is. So you're borrowing someone else's email list, right? So this is how it goes, guys. So if you are generating leads on your business, that's good, right? That is somehow semi-warm if they are actually generating leads yourself. And solo ads, this is how you have to understand what why solo ads, why people are struggling with solo ads, and why other people are actually making money with solo ads, because this is the big difference, guys. So solo ads is basically, again, I said, right, it's borrowing other people's email lists. So it's not your list, right? So that those email lists, they don't know you, right? And what's wrong about this is that these people are also bombarded with offers after offers after offers, right? So the wrong mindset here is going into solo ads is that I will use your solo ad, right? If you are talking to a vendor, and we'll use a solo ad, and I expect a sale, right? That's the wrong mindset coming into solo ads. Solo ads is not really to make a sale. If you get a sale, that is already a bonus, guys. That is a bonus for you. But generating leads is how it is to the goal in actually doing solo ads, right? So if you order like 100 clicks, right? If you get 35 to 50% opt-in rates, that is already huge, right? That is already huge. 35 to 50% is really, really good. So if you got an opt-in rate of that rate, so that solo ad is really, really good. Now, the key here, guys, is that because that is actually a cold leads, those are cold leads, right? The best way to do that is that when you generate those leads, I highly suggest you do a bridge page, right? You do a bridge page. So basically, this is how your funnel should look like, right? Because this is the mistake a lot of people are doing with solo ads, right? So I'm just gonna make this big, right? So take for example, this is your landing page, right? This is your landing page. So it's gonna landing page, right? Sorry guys. This is your landing page, right? So if you so landing page basically is a lead capture page where you will get their name and email, right? And then the mistake of most people is that they send that cold lead to a sales page, right? To a sales page. So um it's highly debatable on this one. Actually, it does work, but to a very, very small percentage, because it has to be like, it has to be really compatible with the email list. So you have to have a really good copyright here, right? A copyright or a tagline or something that really catches them, like what's in it for them, right? What's in it for them. So basically, if we're gonna do this right, um, highly suggest you test it out first, right? You test it out if it's a really good copyright, or that's how it is. So this is a mistake of most people. So a cold lead, they direct a landing page going to a sales page, right? But this is how you're gonna create success here on using. Okay, let's try this. Let's delete that, right? Okay, that's erasing that. So this is what you're gonna do. So when you get them on a landing page, right, you make a bridge page. So bridge page meaning you have there a video or an audio or a picture of yourself introducing yourself to that cold lead, right? That is the magic there, guys. That is the magic because you need to introduce yourself because again, even in online space, the version that makes money is that you gotta have a know, like, and trust factor, right? So that's it, guys. So this is it. So a landing page or a bridge page where you introduce yourself, and the key ingredient that you're gonna make money is that because you generate the lead, right, is through your email, right? You gotta have an email follow up on your leads because if you just have a landing page and a bridge page and then you don't do follow up, again, people only buy, right? People buy something with based on the 7 or the 8 exposure. So you're gonna always have to follow up with them because you don't know. Maybe on the first day they don't have the money or it's not yet the right timing to them. But on day 30, usually that's how sometimes it takes that long or years that they will actually make a purchase. So you gotta think of the long term, right? So you use solo ads to generate leads, to generate a customer base, an email list, right? And then when they buy from you and they get a good experience, they will now be your customer, right? So that's how it is. So that should be your mindset when you're going into solo ads. It's not really to make a sale, but to generate leads. Now, this is the magic, guys. Most solo ad vendors out there, they do claim that their list are in the make money online niche, something like that. So that is how gonna be make money with affiliate marketing or in network marketing is by having those targeted leads go to your landing page and your bridge page, introducing yourself, and then you do your email follow-up. So you gotta have to follow up. You're gonna follow up with them, you're gonna introduce yourself, making them warmer for you, right? So that's the key, guys. So this is one website, it's Udemy. And what I like about this is that I have a lot of friends that are actually having success on this one. But again, guys, I highly suggest you do your research and you don't just um, buy bulk of solo ads from here. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna try out their ads, right? And then before you buy solo ads from these vendors, you're gonna ask them questions like um and the key there, guys, I'm gonna give you a tip here. You ask them if they can refer you or they can get you in contact with one of their customers that has experience with their list, right? You're gonna have the question, you're gonna tell them, hey, I'm interested but you gotta help me here, because you're spending money with them, right? You're gonna spend money with them, so make sure you get all the information you get, and that's the easiest way for you to do that is to let them connect you with one of their customers, and then you ask the customer and their experience with this vendor, with the email list, and what offers that are actually working with this email vendors, right? So just check this out, guys. So there's a lot of like solo sellers here. So this is how you're gonna navigate here on Udemy. So basically, when you say here 40 cents, they kind of charge 40 cents per click, and 27% with a dollar sign means that 27%, like in 100, 27% are actually sales that actually made sales with this one. So that's a good sign, guys. And also this one, this is the how much they um commented or liked them, right? And 2 negative comments, right? So that's also a good thing if they have negative comments. And yeah, so this is how you're gonna navigate on Udemy. I'm gonna make a full course on this one, but I just want to make this video really short. Just want to give you the right mindset, the right equipment to succeed in solo ads, because solo ads are really good. I actually got a lot of sales on solo ads, generate leads and solo ads really quick. But the key here, guys, is this: your copywriting. Oh, it's not copyright. It's copyright. Let's see. I'm gonna correct this one. It's copyright. Right. So it's your copywriting. So the headlines, it has to be really really good, that captivates them, right? So they will give you their information to get something out of it, right? That's your key here, is your landing page and your bridge page where you will introduce yourself, and then your email follow-ups, right? It's always on the follow-up. The fortune is always in the follow-up, right? So I really hope, guys, that you got value from this video, and if you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, if you found value, also like this video and give this video a thumbs up as well if you don't get value from this video. All right, guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.